I studied law at Glasgow University, graduated in 2008, did my diploma at the Glasgow Graduate School of Law as it was then, and started with Beltrami and Company immediately thereafter. I worked for 6 months and then started a traineeship with the firm, and I've been there ever since. So that will be 10 years now that I've been there. I'm now a senior solicitor with the firm. I'm also the office manager, and that's a role that I've kind of fallen into because when I was at university I did a lot of kind of legal secretarial work as well, and really honed my admin skills and organisational skills. So because of that and the legal knowledge I've had, I'm kind of uniquely placed to deal with the day-to-day running in the firm. Originally, criminal law was quite a kind of male-dominated area of law, just because of the type of people that you're dealing with. Nowadays, lawyers in general is a kind of 50-50 split, and I think criminal is starting to kind of shadow that as well. When I first started appearing, I would say that prosecution, or the Procurator Fiscal Service, was mainly females in the junior roles that were appearing. That's now changing as well, and you're getting a good split. Criminal defence, I'm finding it is quite equally split between male and female. In our own firm, there's a good mixture of male and female. The only challenge I think there has been perhaps is when a female goes off on maternity leave or starts a family, and it's trying to find that balance, which you might get anywhere. But my own experience was that the firm was very supportive with me, and they allowed me to come back into the role that I was in. I think criminal law in general struggles to get people because it's not the most glamorous side of law, and from going to law fairs, it's not the most well represented when attracting people into the career, the profession. So I think in general, criminal law, people need to explore a bit more to try and attract more females. I'm not really sure. The difficulty with that is that, as I've said, trying to get the work-life balance, and being a criminal court practitioner, every day is different. You could be somewhere different in the country every single day, and I think to attract females you just need to be, or they need to be aware that that's a challenge that you would face there, and it's trying to get that balance between a family life and maybe accepting that you can't work part-time, you can't have flexible working, and it's making that commitment to your career. For criminal, I think it's all about getting experience in a firm. So if you do a summer placement, for example, but once you've got your foot in the door, I would just say keep it in the door. So if you can work around your university timetable, then do that. Shadowing advocates is an excellent way of getting your face seen about court as well, and it's a great way to meet contacts. You'll see as well the type of people that you'd want to work with, or the type of cases you'd want to do, and you'll find that that's a great way to make contacts and network within the profession.